7 natural remedies for watery semen, and I will explain how each one works like I'm talking to my own brother. Now, let's talk like a family. If you have been noticing that your semen is too light or watery, don't panic at all. Sometimes your body just needs a little boost. Let's help it naturally, gently and safely. The first one is coconut, tiger nuts and dates. Have you tried this before? This blend is sweet, strong and powerful. It gives your body important minerals like magnesium, zinc and good fat for stronger sperm and more semen. How to use it? Soak 1 cup of tiger nut overnight. Yeah, they will be softer. Remove seeds from 5 to 7 dates. Blend everything together with half a coconut. Then drink 1 glass every morning. Try it for 2 to 4 weeks and thank me later. The second remedy for watery semen and a stronger sperm is garlic. I know the smell may not be friendly, but garlic is powerful because it helps your blood flow better down there. You get? And that is very important for men's health. Let me tell you how to use it. Chew 1 to 2 raw cloves in the morning, or please don't overcook it because we don't want to kill the nutrients. Copy? You get? If you love your body, give it garlic sometimes. Yeah, watch out for the next video. I'll continue from there. And please don't forget to follow, like, share and drop your comment, your question under the comment section below. I'm always happy to see people asking questions. That means that they are really watching the video. They are really watching the video. Please, if you are really enjoying it, drop your question. Let me know. Can help. Thanks.